Hello, hello, hello. Today is June 20th. What in the scream? I'm actually watching a Criminal Minds episode. I'm watching Criminal Minds season 1, episode 16. The Tribe. Anywho, so I had these bubble things because we had a delivery for our chairs, for the dining room chairs, and they had a bunch of these, and I was like, why not just use them and recycle them? So I had to like do a triage, throw the ones that just had holes or too much tape on them and stuff, and the rest I cut them up. You can't really see it, but they really they're perfect, like clean and everything. So I went ahead, cut them up. I have a lot, like I have a lot. So so I just finished doing that, and I went with my mom to go buy a couple of things. So it's currently, what time it is? It's 10:29. I'm so hot. Downstairs is hot for some reason. Usually downstairs is super cold, but now it's hot. So I'm gonna go take the coldest shower that I can take. But before, I'm gonna go ahead and remove, because I'm cleaning this area a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and open my box because I received some shipping supplies for the rosaries, for DESROSERY. So I received some shipping supplies, so I wanted to open them because I have not opened it yet. But for real, the only reason I really want to open it is because I want to put these inside of like the box that it was shipped in. So it's this right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Okay, I think that's okay. So, okay. Okay, so I grab the scissors. Grab the big ones. Scissors, I'm gonna go ahead and open these packages. So this one is supposed to be my shipping labels. So let's see it. It's heavy. They're actually heavy. So it said, I don't know how much I got. I think it's like 500. 500 labels of 4 by 16 inches. So, ooh. So it's these here. These are the shipping labels. They look nice. Everything looks great. I have to set up my shipping thing. I'm gonna do that till another time. So I'm gonna open the box. Let's see. It's so hot outside. What is this weather? I'm over it. Okay. So this, let's close my legs. This is, because it's hot, I just want to remove this. This is my label printer. I got a thermal label printer. It is, I don't know, pink? I got pink? Is this here? See that? But yeah. Oh, they gave me a few labels. It comes with a few labels. That's cool. Please. Especially if you need to test it out. That's nice. Oh! So this is the label, and I think there's the cords in there. I'm not gonna unbox it completely because I don't know yet where I'm gonna put it. Well, I just need to clean first, then I'm gonna start placing things, but I just want to see, make sure that I receive everything and everything looks good. And then after, I'll go ahead and put everything up and set up everything. Next, my poly mailers. So these are my polymailers. So this is gonna go inside, and your package will arrive basically in this. Oh, hooray! Hooray for that. Then we have 100 pieces, no, 200 pieces of the 6x9 polymailers. This is for the notepads, memo pads, all of that. So, yeah. Here are just for, how much is it? 100 cellophane resealable poly bags for, you know, to protect the merchandise. So I got some for the mailers notebooks and some for the notepads memos. And wait, this is for, okay. This is for the notepads, the memos, the small ones. These are for the larger ones. This is for the planner and notebooks. What is this? I did buy something that was small. What was it? Let me see. Oh, these are supposed to be the smaller labels, which are round. The round. Oops. The round. Yup. Round. Oh, they're not white, but yes, this is exactly what I wanted. These, so I can print my logo or something on there and just stick it onto your package, just to add a little sealant, you know. So that, I have this pain at the, like here, like inside of me. I don't know what it is, but it hurts. What is here? Is it your livers? Or your, is that what you call it, liver? I hope I don't have liver failure or something like that. And these are my boxes. And I did buy this too. I bought this morning, and it came later in the day. It came earlier today, I mean.
He was caught by the U.S. Army 5 times, but the guy had given him so much.
Anyways, so this is the little haul, and now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this area so I can go to bed and tomorrow clean the whole house and decorate. So, bye. Today it's launch. Well, today it is launch weekend. I just started vlogging. It's already 9 p.m. But I forgot to vlog the morning, so I can tell you what happened in the morning. So in the morning we went grocery shopping for basically our private launch dinner. We went grocery shopping and everything. And I had a whole bunch of stuff to do. Let's go upstairs because I still have a lot of stuff to do. I have to edit. Oh no, I have to decorate, so I have to inflate the balloons to make an arch. So let's go upstairs. And I cleaned the whole house yesterday. Yeah, so the lighting is not the best, I'm not gonna lie, but I can, well, okay, so I'm inflating some balloons. I got this from someone. She let me borrow this from her, so I am now inflating my balloons. So right now we have brown and kind of like a sandish color. So right now that's really all I'm doing, to be honest. And I'm watching, not me falling, and I'm watching Criminal Minds. So that's all I'm doing right now. So this morning basically went, bought a whole bunch of stuff, then came back, started marinating the salmon that we're gonna eat tomorrow, and now I'm just going ahead and doing that. So yeah, I'm just inflating these balloons, twisting them up so you can watch me work for a little moment. And yep. I don't really have anything else to say. I don't have much to say. I'm tired. Don't really be sleeping like that for real, so I'm a little tired.
Then how did the blood get outside your door?
I have no idea. There wasn't any blood inside, was there?
Who was it?
For the 100th time? I didn't even know that there was a victim until you dragged me out of bed.
Where's the victim's head?
Well, I must have dropped it on my way in here. Come on. You know that I have nothing to do with this. I'm an American FBI agent. I'm here on vacation, man. I'm the police, just like you.
Are you the her?
Excuse me.
I'm scared for it to pop. And here we go.
I don't care where the blood led, detective. You made a mistake. We are FBI agents. BAU profilers here on vacation.
Profilers?
It looks like Frank Giles is in the
I'm
wind.
terrified.
You might have yourself a real suspect now.
How can crime scene men in here?
All work and no play, huh? All work and no play? You just wait till I'm through with you. What?
Garcia, I need a rundown on a guy.
No.
What?
The information.
Shower.
Like hell.
How much sleep have you got in the last 24 hours?
I spent half of the night in the interrogation room. I am not sleeping until I find this Frank Giles.
Frank Giles left Jamaica last night on the red eye. Flew to Florida, then got onto another flight to Virginia.
Virginia? You mean that son of a bitch is from here?
I don't know if he's from here, but this is where he flew to, Arlington. He's got a long criminal record: manslaughter, robbery, rape.
What about the victim, Marty Harris?
He's a two-time.
You're the agent I contacted in Japan. This time, a year ago, was Katie first identified him. God, kid. Grwm does. She hates him. She's at home. Just like you and your team are about to pay a visit to the chat room vendor.
Yeah. Well, we've been away.
Yeah, but we're only concerned about one.
Okay, so I just finished. It is currently 11:38. I just finished doing the arch, like the half arch. Where was the camera? I also did this. I just added 2 sets of balloons because I'm gonna have here my products on display. And yes, I have to go check what I'm gonna put on display because I have a few things. So I'm just gonna put some stuff on display here. And yes, and this is the arch.